So here's another example. This is number 3 on your worksheet. So your process is the same, multiply A and C. So here's A, here's B, and here's C. And so 3 times 40 gives us 120. And I'm gonna write all my factors of 120. So 1 and 120, 2 and 60, 3 and 40. 4 and 30, 5 and 24, 6 and 20, 8 and 15, and 10 and 12. And so I'm looking for my pair that can be combined to give me a 7, and that's going to be this pair here. C is negative, so my signs are different. So I either have a positive 8 and negative 15, or a negative 8 and a positive 15. And this gives me negative 7, and this gives me a positive 7. So I'm going to use this pair. And so I'm going to separate this. I'm going to expand that negative 7p. So I have 3p squared. And then I have plus 8p, minus 15p, and minus 40. And so what you'll have here is, once again, we'll break it in half. And my greatest common factor on this side is a p. And so what is left is 3p and then plus 8. And what's common on this side, when this term here is negative, you always want to put this negative here. So since it's a negative 15, I'm going to pull out my greatest common factor here, which is a 5. And it leaves me with 3p plus 8 again. Because that negative 5, if I distribute it back out, it should give me negative 15 and negative 40. Okay, and so whatever is left, whatever's in my parentheses goes there, and then whatever is left will go in another set. Okay, I'm going to do it again, where I'm just going to switch the 8 and the 15. So I have 3p squared minus 15p plus 8p minus 40. I'm going to split it in half. So I have 3p. And what's left is going to be p minus 5. And then what I'm going to take out here is going to be an 8. And what's left is p minus 5. So I end up with 3p plus 8 and then p minus 5. So same answer that I got up here. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so I can also rewrite this as 3p plus 8 and p minus 5.